The first thing I always do when I'm doing this is I start in the Zyte API Playground. This is just the easiest way for me to kind of like see what's going on and understand the site a bit better. I always make test requests when I'm scraping data, so it just makes total sense to do it like this. So I've got the API Playground up, put my website in here, and I want to look about what comes back with the product navigation. So I did just run this, and we can see that this is what our response is going to look like for this page. Now, this is all in the documentation, which I'm going to look at as well. I'll be referencing as we go along with this. You can see that we have, a URL, a next page URL, and then items. And what this means is that we can then tell Scrapy to yield requests for each of these and then go and do the product response. So let's do that as well, just to make sure we're on the right page. Let's grab this and put this in here, and we'll say that this is a product. So I'm just going to run this request, and we'll just see what comes back, and we'll make sure that it looks good, which it does. Maybe I'll buy one of these at the weekend with my spare cash. But you can see here, this has cost us that's 0.00145 of a cent. So this is a very little amount for this request, and this is even with the structured data. So this is pretty economical, right? So now that I'm happy that this looks like what I'm expecting,